back. My name is Siberia from Chasing Siberia, and I hope you're all feeling crafty today. Today's DIY is super easy and super simple, and it turns out way better than I thought it was going to. So without further ado, let's get started.
What you will need for this DIY is a paintbrush, glue, food coloring, some water if you plan on doing multiple glassware, some containers, and whatever glassware you want to paint. First, remove the sticker off of your glassware. If it's really hard to get off, anything that's oily cancels out the sticky, making it easier to remove. Next, grab your container and put a little bit of glue in it. Drop in your food coloring and mix well. Less equals light, more equals dark. Once you're finished mixing, prep your painting area and start painting. You will need to do at least 2 or 3 more coats. And that's all there is to it. Super simple, super easy to make with gorgeous results.